So the gopis are circulating with Krishna, but that circle is going to bust out. And Jatila is coming. The moon has set, the sun is rising. Oh, curses on the roosters, go to hell. Go coo in hell. Oh, Radharani, they're quiet. They must have heard your command. Oh, good. Now union again. So there's ever-present threat of separation, of missing one. So this is the mysterious, Vishnu says, these are the mysterious working of prema. Even when love is imperfect, it reveals Krishna's glories, and what to speak if it's completely perfect. Thus, the magnitude of the gopis' experience of Krishna's greatness is a measure of the greatness of their love. So love means intimacy and trust and faith and association throughout every aspect of one's being. This is love. One loves with the body, one loves with the mind, one loves with everything, as we said. Man, tan, pran. Everything is involved in the loving exchange between the lover and the beloved. So therefore, that's the pranaya, there's no separation. So the gopis, to know me means to love me. So who will know a person more than a person who loves that person more? Like, oh, I know Mr. Smith. And you tell the wife, I know your husband. Acha, you know my husband. I think I know better. How you think you know? You met him 2 years ago. I've been married for 25 years. I think I know my husband. Like a book. So the same way, because of the intimacy, because of the proximity and the absolute surrender of the lover for the beloved, because if Krishna can trust us, and if Krishna he feels that we love him and want him more than anything else or anyone else, then he'll open up. He'll tell you the combination of his wall safe. He'll tell the combination of when the wall there's a safe. He'll tell you the combination of the lock. And so you can open this up. You can take anything you want. I trust you. I love you. So this is what the gopis are representing. They're representing the highest principle and attitude and expression of pure, selfless love. Something inspiring, certainly, and attractive. But we are far from that.